While I am mourning the loss of a dear friend, I have to rejoice in the gifts that I have. I've just ran most of my trains to feel better, but it's fine. Everything is fine. We have the ice skaters out. You can see them enjoying themselves. It's a little humid today, but they're doing okay. I've got my wonderful 300 with its beautiful Redskins paint job. So I'm glad to hear they're not going to change. It's a cranberry, burgundy, and gold with green trim. That's my Christmas engine. It's all metal, and it has the K5 rear truck on the engine, so that's another example of how that could be done. And I have my Christmas cars, some vintage conversions. Those were cabooses that were cut down and filled with Christmas ornaments. One of the lighted cabooses had a star that lights up. And then Margaret's helped me with the village that we've collected. And you might recognize I have a radio station, a couple of drive-ins, a bowling alley, Uncle Levi, right? And I have 2 Chevy dealerships because I just do. Hot dog stand, gas station, you know, the Standard Oil station. What was his name? I forget now. Down at the end of Main Street, and Christmas tree, or Christmas lighted farmhouse. See that? And the barn. Margaret found me that barn. And hot dog stand. We said that. And a couple of, well, a diner and then another drive-in. It's just a fun little place that I enjoy. And of course, in the dealership, you can make it out, but it's a Corvette on the spinning rack. Whoa, that was close. Well, okay. Good time was had by all. All closed, and go back to cleaning up my lab, which is a mess. Just a mess. Oh my God. It was fun. Got to see all my trains today, pretty much. Except Margaret's. Chrome Empire Express is in the shop. The Hudson was running quite well. The Illinois Central GP20 hauling, I call them grain cars. They're actually fruit cars with ice, but I'm going to use them for grain. And my Illinois Central Mountain engine, which is actually the real one, is on display down in Centralia. Yeah, it's a magic engine. It's a 482, very rare mountain engine, Illinois Central. Engine number 2500, and here we are hauling cattle, probably cattle and hogs. The vintage Illinois Central caboose, American models, love it. Wood sides, lighted, real pretty. Okay, oh, and that's a 5405. Anybody have one of those? Tell me what it's worth. It's on the cover of a Greenberg book, but it was a New York Central originally, and that's Margaret's Grand Central Station. New York City, baby. Okay, that's enough. I'm getting punchy. Maybe it's time for a drink. I think it's Saturday too. Ha ha! Shelley's Diner way over there. That's New Jersey, okay, if you don't know. That's New Jersey Diner. Way over there. And then the Tucker Factory, which actually was Chicago. We get from New Jersey to Chicago really fast. And then over here is Illinois, downtown, small town, farms, stations, water towers. I'm going to build, now that I'm done with engines, I'm going to be building sort of a central station or a warehouse I forget what you call it, but it's a siding, major siding. Gonna have lots of engines coming in, and I'm gonna rework this area here so they can come in. It'll be fun. So I have more engines I want to run, I just don't have space to put them on. This New York Central is going to be for sale. It's a diesel, dual drive, and I have the baggage car. No other cars though. This is for sale, Santa Fe. There's my Corvette PS2 diesel. Alco, really nice. Oh, there's the Lincoln. We got to get the Lincoln baby down, huh? He's a runner. Yeah, oh, yeah, he'll run. Might need some smoke fix, but there's my inspiration, right? It's pretty close. Could use bigger. Oh, there's some parts going to the Tucker factory. Okay, fine. Later. Bye.